Have they ever pondered the intricate dynamics of the Hollywood industry, where every move is placed under a microscope of political correctness? As a seasoned movie enthusiast, I've witnessed this heightened sensitivity unfold over the past 4 decades. Recently, Jenna Ortega, a prominent figure in the industry, shared her thoughts on this topic, sparking a fascinating conversation. Jenna Ortega, known for her role in the Scream series, discussed the departure of her co-star, Melissa Barrera, from the upcoming Scream 7. Ortega expressed her views on the overly sensitive nature of the film and television industry, emphasizing the importance of authenticity and integrity. With the Fury.
In an interview with Vanity Fair, Ortega addressed Barrera's dismissal, expressing sympathy for her fellow actress. Ortega believes that the industry's focus on political correctness can find loss of humanity and sincerity among professionals. Instead, she advocates for open conversations that encourage debate and the exchange of ideas.
Ortega stated, "The industry where we operate can sometimes feel overly sensitive and concerned with political correctness. I believe this emphasis on being politically correct often diminishes our authenticity and moral values because it tends to suppress honesty. It would be ideal if we could foster a more open dialogue, one where people feel free to express their true thoughts without fear of judgment or criticism. Instead of leading to arguments, such candid discussions might stimulate healthy debates." As we eagerly await the release of Scream 7, it's intriguing to reflect on Ortega's perspective and consider the potential implications for the future of the film and television to help the industry. His wife, we will be clearing. If you enjoyed this article, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button. And now for a little humor, why don't ghosts like rain? It dampen their spirits. And with that said, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.